This is part 3 of the HP stall walkthrough, and here we have Appadurai once again.
Welcome back again. This is a part of the large format area in the HP stand. The printer which you see is a large format printer which works with latex inks. The model number of the printer is 26500. This is printing on latex inks. Latex inks, for people who do not know, are the most environment friendly inks. It can be reused. It does not have any solvent or harmful chemicals that creates any pungent smell. This is one of the biggest hit products in India. We have close to 100 installations of latex printers in the country already. It can be used in wide variety of media again, from paper to canvas. And today, the biggest industry in India is the home decor industry, which is called the wall art.
Right.
People can change their walls, the look and feel of the walls. Each room can be created in a fraction of a minute. And you don't need professional people to come and paste it for you.
Right.
There are medias which are available where you just have to dip it in water.
Right.
Just take and paste it like anybody would do normally.
Really?
It saves a lot of time for you. Doesn't create the paint smell which is there.
Correct.
And
Correct.
it is not so expensive too.
Correct.
And
Correct.
the imagination would be the limit in terms of creativity. You don't need to have the standard white walls and the black walls that you have anymore. Kids can have the Disney character, the Spider-Man character as part of their bedroom when they sleep.
Correct.
So this is a big hit product.
This is the DesignJet L26 500.
Works on latex technology.
What is the size? What is the width of the paper?
We can go
30 inches.
30 inches.
That's fantastic. Lovely colors.
So again, this is one of the presses that we're showing here. We have flatbeds and really large format of printing also. HP, as you would know, is the only company which can print from a small stamp going all the way up to a whole building rack. Some of the building racks, while you're coming from Frankfurt to Cologne, the buildings have been wrapped with the HP Cytex range of products.
Okay.
So we can print right from postage stamp to a whole building rack that could be done. So size,
Fantastic.
it's not a restriction here. Really.
Size does not matter.
Size doesn't matter. The last product that I want to take you through is the HP Z3200. This is the photo large format printer, typically used in enlargement printing, portrait printing. These are also used to make the album covers for the very nice indigo albums that you saw there. Again, it's really a large print. People print on this and do the album covers for the indigo albums that are produced today. So it kind of works very complementary. It can be calibrated to the indigo properties. And again, works with a very wide range of media. It can print on paper, it can print on canvas.
Oh, that's a canvas print.
That's a canvas print.
That looks like real painting almost,
So there is a
Beautiful.
market called the original copy market.
Right.
The artist to sell this, brilliant pieces of album
Correct.
won't make more money.
Correct.
What they do is they print it out of the HP large format printers.
Right.
They put their original signature. So it may not be sold at the actual painting's price, but it's probably sold at 1/10 of the price. So it's a big market which is emerging, which is called the original copy market.
Which means that the quality, not just the quality, but the longevity and all of that also has to.
Absolutely, it is gone.
Right.
It is a little ironical when I say original copy market, but today that's what is growing. A lot of art galleries uses this type of printers to archive their existing paintings and to recreate their existing paintings. London Art Gallery is one of the best examples of that.